What's up, guys? It's Ramon from NyneBlockGaming&Collectibles. I have another figure review for you guys. It is the Furious Tony, or the Scarface, or Tony Montana figure from Shark Toys. This is number 002B. Not sure if that is the figure number with a serial model, or is that each figure that they released has a different one. This is my first Shark Toys. This is the deluxe version. As you can see, these are the details on the box. It is a very nice box and packaging. So let's open this guy up. After a decent amount of struggle, I now have it open. This is the absolutely beautiful packaging we have in here. Piece fell out. This goes right there. Now let's open this up. There is our Tony Montana head sculpt. There's a little bit of like hair coming out of the jacket, but very nicely done. Hands. Bracelet, his watch. All right, let's quickly go over articulation. Head barely moves back, very slightly down. Arm comes up. Looks like you have a double jointed elbow in there. You have a wrist peg that looks as though it is something like an SH figure art wrist peg. The plastic for the hands is slightly flexible, easy to peg in, don't feel like it's gonna break from plugging it. Now that arm only goes up that far due to the soft goods. Can probably get it to move a little bit further. He does have some ab crunch, forward and back. Leg kicks back that far, forward that far. He does have hip rotation in there. Double jointed knees. It's a good thing the pants cover that because that ankle is rough. You can see it does get some rotation, but when the pants down, that is covered. His legs seem a little flimsy, so maybe hard to stand up. Incredibly hard to stand up. His legs just feel tiny for his body. There we go. Alright, the accessories we get with him. Trigger hand, he currently has one on. He has some glasses in there. Let's get all these hands out so you can see. Glasses. And there he goes. Left palm out. Right palm out. Right and left fists. We have a right trigger finger hand. As you can see, there is some rough cuts of plastic in there. Can clean that up a bit. And a holding hand for his left hand. Comes with this M16 styled gun. Handgun. Alternate head. Bottle of whiskey. Another bottle of whiskey. A little glass for his whiskey. Now if I open this up, we have the table, our desk and chair. This thing is one solid, heavy piece of plastic right here. And look at that. That's plastic, but it looks like it's really a leather bound seat. And we have a briefcase that opens up with cash inside. That's it for the accessories. And that is it for the figure. Huge Scarface fan growing up. Loved the movie. Loved gangster films. It was a fun one to watch. I love, you know, his story, background story. Some of his quotes in the movie are very good. But I enjoy the figure. The promo images looked a little better. As you can see, his head tone from his actual body skin tone is off. It is a very plasticky body for the skin tone color, where his head actually has a flesh tone to it. But something I'm not going to mind adding to the collection, because the accessories are what makes this an absolutely amazing figure. I think the price point was right around $90. So at that price point, I mean, you can't beat all the accessories you get with this thing. Rubber bands go around that to hold it shut. Sure, they're removable. But this thing is an awesome figure. This does not look like it's going to stand. Unfortunately, it just has a very small base to it. This one shouldn't be an issue. Glass should be fine. But yeah, this wooden table and that chair sold me on this guy. So I think the price point was right around $90. Do I think you should pick it up if you like this movie, or if you want to add really cool accessories to your collection? That is absolutely one to go with. I'd give it, I'd say a 6.5 out of 10 for the figure itself. I'm going to show some product images. You see how that skin tone, that flesh tone, that actually looks like it matches up. It's not nearly as close as it showed on the promo images. It looks off in person. You can really see. But I mean, look at the detail on this chair. Look at that. This thing is beautiful. Accessories alone make this figure worth buying. For the fact that I enjoyed the movie, it's worth adding to the collection. I wish the product images stayed true to the actual production of this guy. I picked mine up at 5K Toys. You can also pick your copy up from them. I'm pretty sure there's still some available in stock. If you like the accessories or you want the figure, maybe I got a bad copy and the plastic's off and you guys get one that looks more accurate. Sits in the chair very well. Feet sit a little low, or his feet are a little high. The chair's a little high and he slides off a bit, but in front of the desk he should be okay. But that's it for the video, guys. I'm going to post a very minor couple pictures after the video for you to enjoy. Again, very hard to do action poses with this guy because of cloth goods and how small his legs are. Make it difficult to stand. But I'm going to post some images after. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more content from me, please subscribe to the channel. All right, guys. See you later.